1 cup of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of maida, half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch salt. Now let's strain these ingredients. Mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of ghee into it and mix it properly. Now add milk to make it a dough. Then do not make it a dough, make it like this. Press it with your hand. Now close it and keep it aside. After that, let's make sugar syrup. For that, I'm taking 2 cups of water and 1.5 cup of sugar. Now let's add 1 cardamom. Let it boil. When it's boiling, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and off the stove. Now make the dough into a powder form like this. Now make small balls like this. I have completed making balls. Now let's shape these balls. For that, take a little amount water and spread it in your hand and do as shown in the video. Now take a kadai, add oil and put the balls into it. Make sure you keep it in a low flame. Then do as shown in the video. When it turns to this color, it's time to take it. So let's take this. Then place it in a plate. Now let's add these balls to the sugar syrup. If you keep it in fridge, it will give you a better taste. Now our sweet tasty gulab jam is ready.